E63. So the gentlemen on Saturday, they leave the car like that. They did that for what? To piss me off? Okay, it's not so much tight. Why I'm saying that? Why I'm saying to piss me off? Let's make a little bit the transmission jack more down. Okay, yes, let's remove completely and then we're gonna do it again. Why I'm saying that? There is no problem, we're gonna fill everything down. 1 second, because all these things down, we're gonna fill down. Give me a second. So, the gentlemen here, they're fixing the exhaust now. Whether we're gonna go with that, most probably they have to cut it to come straight. Probably. Because like this, it's pointing this way. Except if they want to bring the exhaust on the side. That's a different story. So, what I was willing to say. If you are planning, this is a message to the people here at the garage, okay? If you are planning to leave the car on the jack and underneath to have the transmission jack, first thing first, what you have to do, because we are talking about hydraulic, you have to lock it. I shouldn't be able to remove the safe here. Why I'm saying that? Because if you make it down and lock the safe here and the other one from the other side, it's not relying on the pressure that has the tube here inside. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just release the pressure to show you what I mean. So when I'm gonna release the pressure, but it locked. Now there is no pressure. Now I cannot remove the safe from both sides, either here or here. You see this piece, it's not safe to put your finger here because all the weight comes here on this pin and here. So again, it's not the best thing to keep for a weekend the transmission jack under the car. Okay, it's not the ideal. For extra safety, yes. Usually when I'm doing that, because now there is no pressure inside of this, you can make it, you can build some pressure like this. You can still remove it. Yes, there, let us say. Now what's happening? There is a pressure inside of the cylinder here, and it's almost engaged the lock. It's much more safe. If it loses, let us say, the pressure from the cylinder, you're gonna fall down by 1 centimeter, something like that. So this is safe. Again, it was not important to have the transmission jack for these two pipes for all weekend, let us say, under the car. Okay? I'm just saying. That's for me. That's my mind. Let's make down the car. Again, this is a message for the people that are working here. Now, the guys, they remove for me both covers to reseal it and to paint it and to put in new seals. On Saturday, I was willing to say on Thursday, I'm still on Friday weekend. On Saturday, I started working on this car, but I paused it because I don't have the intake camshafts, like I said on the previous video earlier. So I paused it to prepare the covers. Now, the covers, it's been resealed. Okay. Why black color? Because I'm running out of silver. And I asked the owner if it's okay with him. He said to me, yes, it's fine to make it black. So the new seal in place, I would like to install the covers because I don't want anybody to scratch the covers. If I see any scratch or something, I'm gonna come angry. So, small update for the E55 covers. The message to the guys here for the 2-post jack, okay, and the transmission jack. And that's it. Let me get it and go. Also, the owner, he brought me a new oil cap. And Mr. Omar, he removed for me the adapter, the plastic one that comes here, and I cannot find it anywhere. I have to ask him when he comes back. Plus, one bolt was broken inside, and I put Allen bolt. So I didn't mix it up. I didn't put Torx and Allen. I put all of them stainless steel Allen. I ran the threads full down. I cleaned the threads to don't have any... looking beautiful. To don't have any sealant inside or something. Because if you don't clean the threads, there is sealant, and then you start squeezing the sealant down, and then you can break everything. So you clean the threads inside, cleaning, washing the covers, sealing it. Extra protection with the paint. Okay, some people they don't like black, but once again, that's what color I had. I don't have the silver, and I get the permission from the owner. Right, let's put it back. Now, yeah, now it's 10 o'clock and I'm waiting now when he's gonna come, Omar, to give me the adapter. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.